Bagong Apple, original ah. Parang original Apple.
Sila. 1417 is
Yung color ah.
casing. 17 casing module. AG14 Samsung.
Para ka lang nasa Green Hills.
And the 14 Pro Max is Samsung 17.
Hi, Freya, brother. Sister.
Fixing screen protector. How much the screen? 5 real?
15 real.
15 real ah.
Case 15 real, but tempered glass how much?
5 real.
5 real.
No, free for you because you're buying cover.
With 3 cleaning. See? You have to see? There is a blower. See? Free cleaning. We used to have this one for free cleaning. Free cleaning for mobile.
You have this one, the same?
No,
Huh?
just one piece.
It's good for cleaning. See?
Actually, I have this one in my drawer. Sometimes, you know, the customer coming,
What is needed?
yeah, headphone not working. Maybe sometimes because of this
Trap.
Yes.
Sensor trap. The dust.
भाई साहब हिंदी ये क्या बोलते हैं इधर ये बता का मेन मार्केट किधर है क्या क्या चाहिए बोलो ऐसा कुछ स्पेसिफिक नहीं है शीशा चाहिए वो ई सिगरेट आता है ना बीप बीप वाइट 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 बीप वन टाइम चाहिए ना वन टाइम सारा वन
Dito na ako sa mga kilikili.
Dinala dito yung ano, telecom, repair. Talagang ano eh. Kabayan tutors.
Let's go. What's the next?
नेक्स्ट आउटलेट नेक्स्ट बॉलीवुड हमें 5 o'clock
Bollywood. Let's go.
Bollywood.
Bollywood.
Jewel tired
Tired, we go home.
Nasa bay?
Masih baik. Kita ada bicep. We'll buy for the beer. For the shop. Trimmer. Trimmer. I'm almost trimmer. And never all I know is something you should know. Trimmer. I almost dreamer. I almost dreamer on the night with you. Dreamer.
How much this one?
This one, 80 real. These are the good quality. I have to charge the same price. This digital.
Yo. Gimana? Lupit.
try
Open your pants, pa.
Rechargeable?
These are the one.
the speed this one looks nice how is it very good here almost this one 3-in-1 you can change to the other one then also you can use this one I have the same
Yeah, you see?
similar not the same brand it's all good this one is very nice because after you trim from this You do this one, it will remove all the smaller this one.
Ayan, Louis Vuitton.
This is more better.
This will be better.
But the charging depend. How many hours charging?
Ayos yung speaker, Louis Vuitton. Ah, ano bang brand natin na ganito dati? Binibenta natin ngayon? Yung mahalin, ano pangalan? Yung, oo, Marshall. Parang Marshall ah.
No, this will not go with the big. It will cover only small, this one.
Okay.
For the big, this one.
First one, this one. Yes.
This one for big.
This one is for the.
For the after
Hindi daw
filtering,
sila ng
it will
pangahit.
remove all the tiny heads.
Bluetooth mode.
Huh?
But real help.
Ito na lang, 35. Kabayaran na. Sundo na. Real siya, no? Real. Pagkitin tayo, no? Real. This is all perfume. What's the name of your shop?
Yeah,
What's your
Albi
name?
Shop.
Albi Shop, ha?
Yeah, Albi Shop.
Albi Shop in Bellagio.
Blazer, yeah.
Okay. So this is the shop.
Yeah.
So you can visit from Albi Shop. How much the perfume usually the price?
Yeah, 50 ml 3 piece only 50.
3 ml 50, ha?
Yeah, 100 ml 3 piece only 100.
Okay.
100.
100.
One hadiah.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So naghahanap ng perfume, bisita lang kayo dito sa ano, ito. Luxurious VIP. Yan, sa mga kabayan ko na naghahanap ng pabango dito sa May Bata. So pasyal lang kayo dito sa Luxurious Perfume.
Gate number 3.
So gate number 3,
Village Mall.
Bellagio Mall. So pasyal lang kayo rito. Marami silang mga perfume dito ng mga mura. Ayan. If you like any perfume, ayan. So nandito lahat yung kanilang perfume. These are all the perfume. See? These are all the perfume. You can try. Yeah, pwede nyo i-test. You can test your perfume.
Oh.
See? Very nice. Sure. You like the perfume smell. How much the cost usually your range?
So
for
only
perfume?
50 ml, only 20 real. You can buy 3 piece, 50.
Oh, 50.
3 piece.
3 piece for 50 ml.
Yes. 3 piece 50 real.
Yeah, for 50
100
real.
ml, 3 piece 100.
100 ml, 3 piece for 100.
Yes.
So dito na kayo just go for this, what's the address
Lexus
again?
perfume.
What's the name of the shop?
Lexus perfume.
Lexus
Village Mall,
perfume?
gate number 3.
Gate number 3, Bellagio Mall.
Okay.
What time you usually open?
Morning 8 to night to 10:30.
8 to 9:30, 8 a.m. to 9:30.
10:30.
10:30 in the evening. Yun. So yan, I will take video for your. Not only perfume, also you can get some of the sunglasses. They have some glasses. What else you have?
Mobile access.
Yeah, mobile accessories, Bluetooth headset, cables, AirPods, cases. So yan, meron din silang mga watches. Yan. Again, your name of the shop, bhai?
Lexus perfume. Okay.
Lexus.
Village Mall, gate number 3.
Okay, you can invite also in your language.
My language?
Yes, no problem.
My language only from India.
Family, no problem. Hindi, you can talk to Hindi. Hindi na wala. Philippine. Okay. So, to all my kababayan, just visit Luxurious Perfume here in Bellagio Mall.
Gate number 3.
Gate number 3. Okay, thank you. Thank you, bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you in my next vlog.